Welcome. So I'm here in Kauai, the first time that I'm visiting Kauai, and it's so beautiful here. And the nature is just unbelievable. What really comes to my mind when I'm here is how nature can heal itself. Some tragedy can happen, maybe some fire, earthquake. It doesn't matter really what happens with nature, she always finds a way to renew herself. I truly believe that as human beings we have the same capacity for healing. Most of us don't really know that we have the capacity to heal ourselves. And many people can explore that through different things. Some people try it with diet. Diet is a very big way to start to change things in your body if you're sick or you don't feel as healthy as you can be. There's diet, there's also meditation. People can use meditation as a way to reduce stress. And I also launched this book called The Self-Repair Toolkit. And it is there to help people to understand that there are tools that we can use to help ourselves. It's my hope that even if people only use one or two or three of the tools, if they can get something out of it, then it's been worth it. So today I'm finding a lot of inspiration just being here, breathing in the good fresh air, and enjoying it here.